Okay, hello and namaste. So today we'll be learning about the drop-down, how we can achieve a drop-down. So here is the description list for the steps what we'll be following to achieve the drop-down. So let's see the demo first, and then back to the black canvas, and we'll be creating from the scratch, right? Okay, so if you, as you can see, I have just played this, and when you click on this, you see the drop-down over here, right? And as we'll be just making the drop down in a simple way. So this is I guess this is the very easy steps that with the help of which you can achieve the same drop down effect, and creating once and using it many times, right? So yeah, let's get it started. So here is the thing. So what is the first step? We'll be creating a button and add auto layout to it and convert it to a component, right? So let's do the same thing, and when you convert it to a component, we convert it its variance and add a style and something similar to this you'll be looking, right? So yeah, I'll be making it this on this side, pressing the R key to select the rectangle, and just create a rectangle here. This is my rectangle, and I'll just press T to select a text, and I'll add a text to here, beauty and button drop, right? So this is what it is. I will select this all the settings and align the text to vertically center and horizontally center, right? So I'm here keeping it horizontally center, and as you can see, and now vertically center, and our button text is in center of the rectangle. And after that, what I will be doing is adding a auto layout to it. So basically adding auto layout just for responsiveness. So in any case, if our text increases, let's say our text increases, our area also increases, right? So this will help us to achieve something similar to like responsiveness. Yes, and now I will just rename it to my drop, and just convert it to a component, as our first step says. We'll be converting it to a component, and after converting it to a component, we will be adding variance. So yeah, just adding a variance gets me this, and I will just change the color of the text. You can change it according to your need, but I will just be doing something like this. Okay, green is the okay now, okay for now. So now I have a component and a variance too. So after this, I will just add a prototype to this component. So while on click, if you want to achieve this on click, just press on click and change to property, right? Change to and just the variance. And if you want to create an smart animate, just choose it, or instead give it as an instant. Yeah, this is done for now. And now if you go back to your assets, you can see you have a button drop here. So just create bring this down here, and now for the drop down options, we'll be checking it for the drop down options, right? So if you want to create a drop down on button, give a border to the bottom of the list, just select this, go to back to design, and add a stroke. And after you add a stroke, it will fill on the all of the sides. Just click to this icon, calculator icon, and select a button, and now your button is border is added only to the bottom of the side. So now after selecting this, you just need to duplicate the button, duplicate it, edit here, and now press command D or control D, just go through the shortcut keys around your system, right? So for Mac it is a command D, and now just if you need to change the options, change it to the options 1, TNS options 2, TNS options 3, TNS options 4. I have 4 options, just line it. Okay, now we got this right. So now just select this all of the 4 components and convert it to frame selections. You can also achieve this by just pressing the option command and G shortcut. So I converted it to frame and this is my options, and now the same effect will be duplicating it, right? Duplicate 1, duplicate 2, and so on. So now our options is created, right? Now select a frame. To get a frame, you can press F key or just drop down here, select a key, and now select your screen frame. Sorry. And now to get this effect, what we will be doing is adding this button drop to this section, right? And now when you add this to the section, just again duplicate this and duplicate again. So I have 3 options here, so I'm just creating a 3. If you have more than this, just make sure you make more duplications of the same frame and add a drop down button over here, right? So I'm just leaving it as a 3, and now go back to prototype, and now on click, just navigate to, instead of navigate to, create an open overlay, and here you have to do a little trick. Close when clicking outside. This means once you open the drop down, if you click anywhere outside this drop down area, it will close that overlay, right? So, or this options area, right? And to achieve this, just below this button, you have to change this to a manual, right? As you can see, it is on the top of this options. Just drag it down and place its position, right? And similarly we will be doing same for rest of the options. So I will just be changing it to open overlay, close centered, and manual. I'm just keeping my design simple. You can change anything you like based on your design layouts. And now I think this is done, guys. This was it. You created a drop down, so I'm just adding a flow. So if you don't see something flow like this, just click your frame, go back to prototype, and you just choose here that flow starting point, and this will add this same button here, and just click on this. As you can see, we have a button over here, and when I click on this, you see the button is painted here, again, right? This is how we create a drop down list, and yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you for being here.